Hey everyone, Blaise here. Over the past few months, our animation boot camps have been an incredible success. And now we're expanding into something that I've wanted to do for a long time, story. From January 22nd to the 26th, I'll be back in Orlando for a brand new 4-day in-person experience, the Story Bootcamp. And I'm thrilled to be joined by my good friend and longtime collaborator, producer Chuck Williams, the guy who helped start Brother Bear with me at Disney, and he also ran the Disney Shorts program and also developed the first Sonic the Hedgehog film, among many others.
Aaron and I have been developing stories for over 20 years, and I'm super excited because together we have built a hands-on workshop designed to show how great stories come to life. Through short presentations, film clips, and practical exercises, we'll explore story, structure, character, world building, plot, theme, and much more. And each day we'll break into small teams where each group will create and develop their own original short film pitches. It's a great way to collaborate and learn. Each student will have their own Mac Mini workstation to search for inspiration, create images, and build final pitch decks for their stories. By the end, you know how to take your own idea, solo or in a team, and shape it into workable, pitchable, producible stories ready for scripting.
And I'll be sharing my own creative process behind my award-winning short film, Snow Bear, showing exactly how to take an idea from that very first spark through brainstorming, storyboarding, and workshopping, all the way to a finished film. It's going to be inspiring, creative, and a whole lot of fun, surrounded by other passionate storytellers right here in Orlando's attraction corridor. So join us for the Story Bootcamp, January 22nd to the 26th. You can sign up at creatureartteacher.com/live, and I hope to see you there. Thanks.